Welcome to beautiful San Joaquin Delta College, site for this year's Energy Education and Industry Expo, a partnership between education and industry. Activities commenced with leaders from government, education, and industry expressing their views and concerns.
This state of California is indeed the laboratory of the world for new vehicle technologies. Because there are so many cars, because there's such a high environmental requirement and need to make changes in the technology, this is where the changes are occurring. And we're starting to see it with a full range of alternative fuel vehicles. And thank you for letting me show my prop. We have a fuel cell learning kit for teachers. It's designed to provide information for middle school and high school teachers, but at the college level it's useful too for an instructor to get a basic introduction to what fuel cells and hydrogen as an energy carrier is all about.
And those supply shortages have ramifications that are international in scope. Our lack of energy independence, our inability to make energy efficiency and conservation the lasting effort nationwide that it should be. California certainly has set an example. By reducing consumption 10% last summer, we as consumers showed the wholesale providers that it's possible to reduce demand enough to avoid blackouts and actually to also reduce wholesale prices. Over 1 million of our customers contributed to our energy security and reliability by reducing consumption over 20%.
And what I'd like to do is just sort of say where the future is. The future is sitting out there in the audience, because every single one of you will be looking at a future with clean energy in the state of California, because our governor and the state has dedicated itself to be energy independent, to no longer be dependent on sources outside the state who are controlling the cost of energy and the possibility of environmental pollution or other things in the state of California.
The role of the technician, of course, is to get the equipment up and running. But I appeal to you, as a technician myself, to take a look at what's going out there. Let's take a look at our jobs. Do we really want to get out there and just do a sloppy job, get in and get out of it? I don't think so. I don't want my name on that. Awareness, hidden energy is everywhere, and awareness of energy is so important. Last thing, I'm very proud to represent air conditioning classes in the area. There's not too many community colleges left teaching these programs. They are great programs, great future, as you know, and just so proud to be part of it.
So for all of you who are sort of wondering what is out there and what kinds of opportunities there are, I would say, grab a weapon, it's your education, and jump in, because it's both it's terrifying, I'm here to tell you, in some respects. It's difficult, it's something that you need to be trained and well inspired to do, but if you've got good technical skills, if you've got a lot of heart, there's plenty of room. So thanks for your time.
Expo participants moved from the panel discussion to floor exhibits as students and professionals networked and investigated the latest energy technology and career opportunities.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Some even took time to pick up a free, energy-efficient light bulb. Exhibitors included a cross-section of energy and education interests: Chevron, PG&E, Honeywell, California Fuel Cell Partnership, California Energy Commission, Real Energy, and San Francisco City College.
Once you turn it on, it's a 15-minute delay?
It does have a built-in delay that you can set manually. You can set it on manual or automatic mode. All of these come with light level adjustments as well.
This is a duct pressurization device that's used to measure duct leakage and percent of fan flow for the Title 24 California Energy Commission requirements.
Students look to find rewarding careers in the fast-moving energy field. Let's take a look at a few of the latest energy production and conservation technologies headed our way.
Hi, I'm Byron Anderson from City College of San Francisco, and I'm here at this exhibit today talking about hydrogen and fuel cells. Hydrogen and fuel cells in this model here, what we see is a renewable resource of energy, our energy source using renewables. We have a light shining down on a solar panel here. You can probably see a little bit better this way. Solar panel, and we have that electricity coming into what's called an electrolyzer, which takes water, pure water, and splits it into oxygen and hydrogen. The two gases are then transferred here to these columns, which there act as storage tanks. The two gases then are combined again into a fuel cell, which is our fuel cell here. And the fuel cell produces electricity, because when you combine oxygen and hydrogen together in this particular technology, you get a creation of electricity, which powers this motor. So what we're seeing here is we're seeing pure water and sun used to create electricity. Now the neat thing about this is, oh yeah, well we've seen solar panels, we know that they produce electricity, but you know what? The sun just went down, and now we're still producing electricity because we have stored our hydrogen and oxygen here in these tanks. And so for when it's cloudy or when there's off days, when the sun's not shining or the wind's not blowing, we still have a source of electricity. What we're seeing here as a result is we're seeing the most democratic form of energy production that's available to everyone. Okay, no longer are we beholden to fossil fuels and the chain of distribution that's required by that. No longer are we beholden to external countries outside the United States who supply our oil, because you know what, we can produce all the energy we need right here in this country. That we're on the leading edge of this technology, and that the students that get involved with this technology right now today will have adventurous careers in the future as a result of this the unfolding of this technology. It's going to be great.
This is Honeywell's Enterprise Building Integrator. And what it does is allow you to bring the building operations into a single station, as we call it, so that you can monitor and evaluate the energy usage in your building, as well as control building functions such as air conditioning, fire control, security, items like that. So we're looking at a floor layout plan here, and we have the Anderson Wright building. And we're looking at the floors that are in red. And we're bringing up a floor program, or a floor layout that would allow us to check the status of our various components on that floor. Again, right now we are looking at locations of security here, as well as a live CCTV of a given area. It can be multiple cameras, single cameras. You can switch between them. You also have the ability to record anything that you might see right here on the graphic. Now again, it's designed so that if you were to walk up to a building, present an access card, allow you to unlock this front door, such as the woman up here on the right is doing, it would physically allow you to unlock the door and custom tailor features to match her needs. So if she's coming in, it'll allow her to unlock the door. Perhaps it'll disarm the security system. Set the lighting control in an ambient mode so that she has some work lighting. Maybe raise the air conditioning temperature or adjust the air conditioning to make it more comfortable for her. Allow her access onto the elevator if should her card allow her to go to any floors above the main floor. And again, be able to set the environment of the building for her. If any of the alarms or any of the values of the air conditioning go out of spec, that you're able to actually just point and shoot to the locations, or bring up the motion detector, or switch to a separate part of the building and take a look at the temperature, or just integrate all the functions of the building into a single user interface.
I'm the Tool Lighting Library Coordinator at the Pacific Energy Center, and it's a free program run by PG&E. We loan tools for free to energy efficiency projects. We generally loan tools to commercial customers, but we also loan them to residential customers. This is a popular item. It's a remote temperature, infrared temperature sensor. Surface temperatures are about 72 here. But if you actually shoot, let's get the ballast. Here, I'll show you. Here I got 140 right on the ballast there. So it'll give you pretty accurate readings. It's good for remote temperature sensing. So we have one of those.
San Joaquin Delta College chose to show off its popular Energy Information Center website.
Hi, my name is Lee Bellarmino, and I'm the head nerd here at Delta College. And what I'm going to show you is just take a few minutes and show you our Energy Center. Our Energy Center is located in our career placement for our students. It's a combination partnership with education and industry. And what we have available is a website that has all the information about training, about energy conservation, about the kind of careers you can get. And here I have Jerry, who's a very interested student, and Sal. They would like to learn more about our energy program and how to get an education here at Delta College. Okay, Jerry, let's take a look at our website, our Energy Information Center. Here on the right-hand side are the other colleges that have energy centers, but we're not interested in them because they're our competition. Let's take a look at heating and air conditioning training. And why don't you look at Delta College's program? I know you showed some interest in that. And here it explains all about our program, how you can get a certificate. And Jerry, if you scan down, it'll go into the different requirements, a career, what kind of money you can expect to make, again, how you can be certificated, and then it goes down into the actual courses that you will need to take here at Delta College. And I can see that Jerry's taken most of those classes already. Okay, let's go back where you were at the Energy Center. Also, our partners, Pacific Gas and Electric Company and Chevron Energy, they also have links on our website. Let's take a look at Pacific Gas and Electric's website. Here is the Pacific Gas and Electric website, and there's all kinds of very important information for the consumers. Number one, you can see the rebate programs, how you can get real money back for your purchases. As an example here, for certain kinds of air conditioning, if you upgrade certain refrigerators. And I know, Jerry, you were interested in lighting, because I know you were going to do something at home. This is a perfect website. The other links on our website, this is a U.S. government site, and again, a lot of information about policies from the government on energy, rebates, careers available, how you'd get careers working for the government in energy. Just a whole lot of information for our students. It's a very popular website, by the way, our Energy Center. Let's go ahead and go down to the bottom of the page. Here you can see the California Energy Commission. That's their link. It has all their policies and procedures. And again, information, real information, how our consumers can save money, and also the kind of careers that are available for our students. This is a very valuable website, and it's very popular with our students. Is there any other information that you'd like to share about our Energy Center? Go Kings!
Well, the Kings didn't have enough official energy to win it this year, but maybe next. Look for Delta College to bring you further exciting activities featuring the latest in technology, education, and career opportunities.
You just have your electrolyzer going into the water, and you're producing hydrogen all on these canals, all on these river systems, you know, to power everything.
See you soon.